it's Taylor, aka BeautyThat, and today I'll be sharing with you my goals for 2020 along with what's on my vision board. I'm gonna jump right into my 8 main goals for 2020. My first goal for 2020 is to get closer to God. I felt as though 2019 was a really great year for me and my relationship with God. I got a lot closer to Him and I was reading the Bible daily, and I just want to continue and strengthen that relationship for 2020. My second goal is to prioritize myself. I want to put myself first, listen to my intuition, trust myself, trust my gut, and ultimately do what's best for me for the whole year. My third goal is to focus on my health, more specifically getting more sleep. I have a habit of staying up super late and then waking up super early and thinking that that's the best way for my body to function throughout the day. No. 2020, we're going to get at least 7 hours. I know that's a jump because I usually get like 5-6 hours every night, which is super unhealthy. I don't want to do that anymore. My first semester in college, I really tested the waters with that. I was staying up super late and then I had classes at like 10:40, but this semester I have 8:30 classes, so I don't have a choice. I have to get sleep. Along with getting more sleep, I really want to drink more water, exercise more, and deepen my yoga practice because along with my physical health, my spiritual and mental health are super important to me, and I want to hone in on that this year. My fourth goal is to solidify my brand. Now, as far as Taylor Tarver, the performer, I really want to grow as an artist, as a singer, dancer, and actress, and I want there to be a clear improvement from, the work that I've done in 2019 and the work that I will do in 2020. I really want to reach some milestones in the theater world for this year. For BeautyThat, my goal is to be consistent on YouTube, grow my channel, and to continue putting out quality content. I also want to expand my business for BeautyThat waist trainers and learn more about entrepreneurship in itself. So if that means educating myself through reading books, reading articles, attending events, that is something that I want to do. If you guys don't know already, this Christmas I was gifted the opportunity to start my own business, which is BeautyThat waist trainers. For those of you that have any sort of fitness goal for 2020, these waist trainers are for you. These waist trainers enhance your workout, strengthen your core, and increase your body's natural heat by stimulating your thermal activity. The neoprene, nylon, and spandex material are breathable, which allows for comfortable and easy adjustment to your fitness goals and your ever-changing waist slimming goals. They are only $29.99, and you can go ahead and place your order through my Instagram at taylordion.t. Just shoot me a DM by letting me know what size and what color you would prefer. There are a bunch of colors. We have black, we have pink, purple, blue, and orange, and all sizes ranging from small to extra large. So when you go ahead and place your order, you can join me in my fitness journey and be a beauty in your BeautyThat waist trainer. My fifth goal for the year is to let go. And I was watching Erin on Demand, and she said that this is one of the ways to boss up, to level up for 2020. I want to let go of things that don't serve me, that don't motivate me, and that don't push me to reach my goals that I have and that I've set for myself. I am determined to accomplish all of my goals for 2020, and if there's anything that's in my way or holding me back from doing that, it needs to be as far away from me as possible. My sixth goal for 2020 is to budget. Now, I'm not the best with money. I need to make sure that I spend my money consciously, with intention. So managing my finances is a major goal of mine, along with maintaining a wealth mindset. My seventh goal is a really fun one, and that is to travel. On my vision board that you guys are gonna see in a second, I put Paris on there, which is really dreaming big, but honestly, even if it's Miami, which is still in Florida, New York, LA, New Orleans, I just want to get out of the 2 cities that I know, which is Gainesville and Tampa, and I want to explore. I want to go on an adventure. I want to have some fun. Like, traveling is really good for the soul, and that is just something that I want to do this year. My 8th and final goal for this year is to strengthen my relationship with those that matter and to be a lot more open to developing more friendships. So those were my 8 main goals for 2020, and now I want to show you guys how I visualize those goals and put them into pictures onto a vision board. So we're going to go ahead and take a look. So this is my vision board, and I made my vision board the same color scheme as my room, which is gray and pink. I wanted it to be pleasing to the eye and something that I wouldn't mind looking at on a daily basis. So my word for 2020 is focus, and this is going to be the word that drives me throughout the year. And to visualize it, I put the quote right here that says, starve your distractions and feed your focus. I also put my spiritual goals right here. So as you can see, I made a visual for my favorite Bible verse, which is Colossians 3:23. Whatever you do, do it with all of your heart. I also put a namaste pic that I found from Pinterest with the words breathe. So not only will this remind me to work on my yoga practice, but to breathe through the discomforts of life. Smack dab in the middle of my vision board, I put a picture of myself from my performance in Chicago. And this will hopefully manifest more roles like these for me in the future, but also to remind myself that this same boss woman energy that I have and had on stage can be exemplified through me in my everyday life. I put 2020 here just to make it clear to the universe that everything on this board will be manifested this year. Over here I put a black ballerina for the theater and dance section of my board, and although I said I did want to improve in acting, singing, and dancing, dance is really a spot that I want to work on for this year. So we put her up there, and I blurred it out just a little bit because I didn't want to put like other people on my board, but I feel as though that could be me. So put her up there. Down here for my business section, as you can see, I put a picture of me holding my BeautyThat waist trainer with 100+ sales underneath it. So that is a goal of mine, along with my YouTube icon and name with at least 10,000 subscribers. Y'all, we're dreaming big. I've heard of the law of attraction. I know what this is about. So we're just going to put it up there. We've been stuck at about like 2,000 subscribers, which is totally fine. But, you know, we're going to dream big for this year. If I stay consistent, I feel like it is definitely possible. Over here, I put a throwback photo of me and my mom just to make sure that we maintain our close relationship. She's literally like my best friend, and I want to keep that. So this whole side is like my personal section. So over here I have a quote that says, "Dear me, stop doubting, keep going, believe in yourself, you got it, love me." And I basically put that there because one of my biggest goals is to stop doubting myself. I've realized that I'm the only person that's standing in my way, and that when I get into my own head, I am my own downfall. So I really need to stop doubting myself and to believe in myself at all times. I put a random picture of a girl with some cute nails because nails are literally never done. So we're gonna try to just self-care 2020. I added a water bottle. This is a marble water bottle because I already have one, so that's just for me to remind myself to drink some water. I tried to find a Paris picture with some pink in it to match, you know, the overall theme, so we put that there. And then from Pinterest again, I found a picture of a king and queen, faceless, because again, I don't want no faces on my board. So that is my vision board. I am super proud of how it all turned out, and I am more than ready for the power of manifestation to kick into full gear this year. If you were wondering, I got my picture frame from IKEA, and I used contact paper for the brick background and some colored construction to make all of my images pop. So now that you guys know my 8 goals for 2020 along with what's on my vision board, I want to know what your word is for 2020. Mine is focus. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you want more videos like these, make sure to thumbs this video up and subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure to turn on your notifications so you get notified for the next time I upload. And if you're looking forward to purchasing a waist trainer, be sure to follow me and turn on your notifications at taylordion.t on Instagram. Just send me a DM and you can go ahead and get your waist trainer. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to beauty that. Bye! Mwah.